Another video. Another
video.
area. Yeah. And it's a lot of snow here. So over here we got like this old tractor, which we can look at more later. But first, we got this cozy little hut. So we actually got a lot of things here. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Totally real. Yeah. Oh, secret suitcase.
And there's nothing in it. But
Well, we got this cassette. Oh shit. If we put this in, we're gonna get cursed or something.
yeah.
Like somebody's gonna come out of the TV and eat us. With new kids on the block.
Oh, a guitar.
Guitar.
Oh, it doesn't have any strings. Here is the chill area. With that, some stuffed animal.
It's like a seal. Epic seal over here. No electricity here.
There is no stairs.
No stairs.
Huh.
And you might be. We are one less man. He died.
Yes. It was very tragic.
He didn't subscribe to our channel, and so the bunker man took his biscuits. Yes.
Yes, that was
Yes. Super tragic as well. The only way to save him is if you subscribe. Subscribe and like the video, then the bunker man might release him. Emergency exit. Any lights here? No. Well, it might be a second floor, and it might also not be.
There is a door. It's a door there, but it's no ladder. So
No ladder. Let's go there. Tractor. Tractor time. Whoa! We got the second one.
Huh.
Tractor.
Tractor.
Tractor. Whoa. Well, if you put on some wheels and maybe fix it up a little bit, it might work.
The engine is totally not moving or anything.
This is definitely an engine. Look, this is probably the engine. It's probably totally fine. A suspicious thing over there. Might be a toilet. Very nice. We got another nice chair. Comfort is top priority here. Tractor. This might need some more work. Epic saw blade here.
The door.
The door. We got the door. We got the throne. We got the throne room. Smell, not so bad. Hopefully not used in a while. Very nice.
Wow.
We have cave. And this one is especially icy. It's not a drippy one, it's an icy one. Let's not slip and not get sniped by icicles. And watch out, there we got like a big icicle.
Yeah.
Let's keep going and not get sniped. And we did definitely not hear like loud bangs before going in of ice either breaking or falling. Oh, no, it's good. It's good for you. It's iron. Get some iron on you. You know what it says? Some iron a day keeps the doctors away. Obviously. So what type of mine is this again?
I think in English it is fluorite.
Flourite. So I think this pink stuff is fluorite. Yes, you can see it's like crystal. It's like a crystal, and I think this purple stuff.
Oh, very tight. Very tight. Oh, wow. Jeg tror det slutter her.
Okay, so the cave ends down there. So which I think is fine because it doesn't look very enjoyable over there.
Oh, det mye is.
Lot of ice.
Minerals.
Minerals. Look at those. Look at those minerals. Ooh. Ooh. Minerals.
Minerals.
And maybe some dirt. Okay. So this entrance not so good, but we know another one just over here. Down we go. So we can see like a big wood beam down there holding everything up together, hopefully enough so we don't die. And we got like a big rock floating, but it has probably been there for a while. Oh, okay, not very exciting.
Right.
Another dead end. Okay, I guess we'll be looking if we can find any other entrances. We got the last cave of our adventure. Whoa! And you almost ended the adventure for yourself there. Ooh. Looking nice. Growing tall there. Ooh. So let's go in. Oh, it's like a lot of water here, so we have to parkour our way in.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Oh, use these rocks and stuff. As we know, right is the right way.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So let's go the right way. Okay, so this one might end just over here. Yeah, looks like it. Or oh no, it actually goes a bit further. Yeah. Yeah. Where we got the end. But we also have a continue. Oof, doesn't this mineral-rich water just makes you so thirsty? Okay, okay. Keeps going.
Yeah.
And ends. Or.
Iron ore.
Iron ore. Okay, it ends over there, looks like, but still goes pretty far. Now it ends. Or does it? Or does it? Or does it? Infinite cave, infinite mine hack. Just keep saying it ends and it never ends.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
As we know, left is right way, so let's just go. The mine is getting a bit more drippy as we go.
You can see footprints.
Oh, footprints from the mine goblins lurking around.
Excellent.
Oh, we didn't say it ends, so it ended.
Yeah.
Or does it? Oh, okay, no, it ends.
Yeah.
No more continuation. Or does it? No, okay. But we got the right way. Okay, this way. This is not as wet, which is nice. And it ends here. Wow, so cool.
Yeah.
Again, we forgot to say ends.
Yeah.
That's why it didn't keep going. So let's go back and then we go left. What?
Oh.
Is it
It's a geocache.
geocache?
Yeah.
Bit.
It's a little bit wet and
So left. Left.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh. Wow. So cool. We got a left and a right, and let's go right. Let's be a bit crazy, be a gangster. We got an end, but not an end to our request.
yes.
So we go onwards. Left, 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 left,
Left.
left,
Left.
left,
Left.
left, 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 left. End,
And
end,
the end.
the end.
Yes.
Like and subscribe. Yay.
Subscribe for more urbex or det bunker man comes and steals your biscuits.